You pick up the phone and you say, "Hey, it's Dave from Acme Solutions. We help companies like yours streamline operations. Do you have a few minutes?" And then they hang up. Sound familiar? The problem isn't your product. The problem is your opener. You're leading with yourself, not with them. Welcome to Mastering the 60-Second Opener using the Isaac Ward method. In the next 4 minutes, you'll learn a 4-step framework that turns cold calls into real conversations. The framework is simple: research, relate, pivot, and permission. Let's break each one down. Step 1, research. Before you dial, you need a hook, not a generic pitch, a specific, personalized reason for calling. Look for trigger events: a new funding round, a recent hire, a press release, an award, an expansion. These are your golden tickets. For example, I noticed your company just opened 3 new locations in the Southeast. That one line tells your prospect you've done your homework. You're not just another cold caller. You're someone who pays attention. Step 2, relate. This is the empathy bridge. You take what you found in your research and connect it to a challenge they're likely facing. You're not assuming. You're making an educated, empathetic guess. For example, when companies expand that quickly, one of the biggest challenges is keeping the sales team aligned and hitting consistent numbers across all locations. Now they're nodding. You've entered their world. Step 3, the pivot. This is where you make the connection to your solution, but gently. You're not pitching yet. You're just stating why you're relevant. The reason I'm reaching out is that we work with teams in exactly that situation. Simple, direct, no pressure. Step 4, permission and discovery. Now you ask for time, and you ask a discovery question in the same breath. Do you have 2 minutes to see if we're a fit? If so, what is one task you wish you could make disappear right now? Notice the phrase, one task you wish you could make disappear. That's intentional. It's open-ended, it's low pressure, and it invites them to share a real pain point. Now, let's see this in action. Imagine you're calling a healthcare clinic. You pull up their financials, and you see an $18,000 discrepancy in their billing reconciliation. That's your hook. You open your dashboard, navigate to prospecting and trust building, and you pull up Ask Isaac AI. You type, draft a report framework for cloud software to healthcare clinics. The AI maps the connection. Your product's strengths align directly to their industry's pain points. Your opener becomes, I noticed your clinic recently expanded its billing team. When healthcare organizations scale quickly, billing reconciliation often becomes a major That's the Isaac Ward method. Research, relate, pivot, permission. 4 steps, 1 unified sales process. The reps who master this opener don't just get more callbacks. They start more real conversations, build more trust, and close more deals. Now it's your turn. Pull up Ask Isaac AI, pick your next prospect, and build your opener. Let's go.